like a murder scene. No Lord, she do it for the TikTok. Fully man in your whole Susie bend back.
You gotta analyze the booty. Bo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I'm back with the reaction videos. We're back in effect. But first and foremost, I have a matter to address. Mr. Out the TV. But this week is me, the reaction boss, Tyrekevlogs. People, tune in on Instagram live Friday the 28th. The last Friday in August to close out the summer for the baddest sound clash on Instagram between me, the reaction boss, Out the TV. You see me I say? You see me I say? You see me I say? On Instagram. Right now we have a Trinidad versus Jamaican dancehall clash. Instagram. 11 o'clock Trinidad time. After 10 o'clock Jamaica time. Do the time. Tune in. Don't miss it. Go follow me on Instagram right now. Right now I have a reaction by a song called Grim. Toppy Boss. Official music video. Drop a day ago or two. You see me I say? Right now, well, I'm big up some people, big up some people. So, song Top Boss, blah 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 blah. We have to shout out the proper stuff production. You see me I say PSP for filming that video, yeah. You see me I say for edit that video and be a thing. You see me I say we have to shout out to management, vibration sounds. You see me I say, and who else? What else today? Big up to everybody. Big up to the sponsor them at the video, to the clothing line and everything. You see me I say, you know what? I get straight to the video right now, people. Tear up the like button. Comment the fire emoji them. Make us see what go on, man. We see what go on. You know, for the girls them and thing. We see the preview, so we know so the girls them outside already, you know. And they thought, go on. Go.
PSP, taking it to the next level.
Oh, really?
Grim, yeah. Grim is cool, right?
Them go old school. Nah. Them go old school with it. You look at old school them. I don't think old school. Civic is not old school. I mean, what am I talking about? Under Civic and old school. Out under Civic, you don't know what kind of. You know? Go on.
Alright, fully. Alright.
Well on there.
For me.
Hey. What? No, y'all see that though? Go.
No, 9.
What's there? 49. Yeah.
Alright.
To the video clean, it has sparkle. People look in the background. To all the video clean, it is sparkling. Hey, if I come back to show the phone, go on.
Bubble for me.
Yeah, baby, since the girl in my Toppy.
They can sweet like Nyla Black Man.
What? Nyla Black Man? She can sing good, you know. I like her voice. She have her voice. Man said the case swing sweet like Nyla Black Man. Go on.
Alright. She tell me she love the grim thing. Pull up on a shawty like waves the sing.
Yeah.
Bounce funny thing like a jump.
See her there, me see you. You know how long me look for in that preview. Me see if I'm in that preview them, you know. You think more to find you. Come here, man, your blood clot. Now me look and see if you stand properly. Let me see if you stay properly.
Pull up on a shawty like waves the sing.
Yeah.
Bounce funny thing like
top. So me see if she that move properly. You know what I mean? See her there in the background, that's how the glisten one and the black, you know. She me and my ear, but that one, yeah. Hold on there. She barefoot. We don't talk about that different, but go on, me say she have it properly. It's alright, I must see her again. Go on with the video. By trampoline.
Say your cocky down like a murder scene. No Lord, she do it for the TikTok. Fully man in your whole Susie bend back.
You gotta analyze the booty. Alright, now me I analyze it. Proper sitting though. Go on.
Ducked in, sucked this dick.
Hey.
Johnny Cochran against me, I been done. Alright, she said she was the fully man.
Me know son of your I could never make a stand up in a sound of that. Pretty. Matter of that 2 seat them And some different kind of flexing you there, pan, you know. Different kind of flexing you are pre right now, you know, Mr. Toppy boss. Because me I give you my car in one video, you can tell me that my car not now work. No. Come dirty up man car seat. Hey, you know my go on.
She body fully mine. Yeah, she in love with the grim. In love with the grim team out here. Bloody kill like a violin.
We love pum pum. No, we love pum pum. So I tell you what's a 40, you know chop.
In love with the grim.
You know chop already. We love pum pum. Me love pum pum. So I not say 40. Go on. Hold on the pause. You actually know one of them girls are some bad gun girl. You know say everybody have a everybody strap. See we think as they run about. Yeah man, I shame that pre. But you don't say everybody strap in that video. I'm afraid that the whole I know. I'm afraid that the whole I know. But you know go on. No go on. Me love pump. Yes, I want to see her again. Let me see her again. Go on. Let me see her again.
Love with the grim. In love with the grim team out here. Bloody kill like a
blood clot. Look at you now. Why you choose to in that? Hey, I think me I go see you. What they go on? You alright? Tyrekevlogs for Instagram, go follow me. Let me know where I go on. Go on with the grim team now. Go on.
A violin, so girl come bubble for me. So girl come.
Us, if you don't want to watch a video for yourself without me pausing it, go and go support Toppy boss. There's me as a link to the original video in the description down below. Yeah, the me as a Go on now. You have to turn the phone upside down for them seeing you. Yes sir. Yes sir. Watch my boy try to get a one wide daddy. Watch my boy back on that one. Watch him. Yeah, watch him try to get that. My boy try to get a one wide. No, I can't be bothered. Right through.
The case sweet like Nyla Black man. This the line then you are the man. 357
strap to you see? All of them strap. Me can't bother with them thing, yeah. The whole on the strap up, so like. Yeah, level no. But go on.
That thing when I spend 2 shots at him shift and miss slim bullet climb up your chest and slide off your chin. Whole team fully.
Yes. Hold on, pass. But that's a bullet climb up your chest and I think when my say when you went to go in
whole team.
See her there? The two of them, but the one of the black, glistening. It does look like one mother, me not lie. One from the left look like one mother. I don't like one mommy. She stand good though. But she look like one mommy, but you see that one up on the right. I want your number, no? Go on.
You fully everybody grim, so take your time, relax your mind and come bubble pon it and how you spell it, go green and they got me in another land.
You hear that? Take your time, relax your mind and come bubble pon it. Done. What them know about Toppy? Shoot! Intermission time. Like the video if you like the video. Tell me and tear up the like button. And drop the fire emoji in the comment section. Right now. No. Do that right now. When I say 40, run back in the tune again. Run tune now.
But this a boom bill and this is not no Neverland.
Yeah.
Harry my man, murder them. She love the fully mine. And yeah, she in love with the game. In love with the game. Yeah, the girl sing more.
Producer asked Toppy boss, how many toys you want in the video? How many guns you want in the video? Toppy boss, a lot. I'll be a strap and everybody's strap and all of the girl them strap. Is that the girl them say, you Tyrekevlogs, you think you can look at my battle today? I'll be a gun you can look at. And that the girl them I say. Well, go on, it's a good look. Them clean. Like the video clean. What do you think about the video? Clean, though. Yeah, it's a good pre. Go on.
Let it tail like a violin. So y'all come bubble for me.
Wait, the camera move.
Let it tail like a violin. So y'all come bubble for me.
Oh man, carry a move, dude. Yeah, it's a good look. Video clean, man. Me no joke. What do you think? Watch man. But hey, I know that girl. Yeah, I follow she on Instagram. Me know that girl. Yeah, she name. Remember, big up yourself though.
After they told me the case sweet like Nyla Black man. They stay 9, then you are dead man. Alright now.
Exactly. But I know you don't see reaction, boss. That's why you must say. Guess reaction, boss. You see it. What going on? No, what really going on?
No, everybody happy, so the fuck up my vibe.
Yeah.
Everybody know they grim them outside. So
Yeah.
tell the monster them cool, cause they grim them wild.
Yeah,
Some
yeah,
hot.
that. Everybody happy, so now burn pretty man them vibes. Cheat. But, you want to see that scene here again? Got a long old tongue. And I show all the 9 sign I'm baiting. Hey. A peep out. Yes, me a look.
You are dead man. Alright now.
Like in like a chip. Boy.
And time bullet in your belly. She tell me she
No. Like, no. Me not running so far. Me not run out of the video. Me a look. Sorry, this reaction is gonna be long. So now watch it. It's long. Watch it ads. Go on.
told me. Move your pretty tongues and let me put the thing. Gunman time bullet in your belly. She tell me.
You hear that? On the ear, the mix when man talk to you. She rubbed up. So when I'm on the pool table, like she know me and look on her already in the dark. Go on. Run through
She
the.
love the funny man. And yeah, she in love with the grim. In love with the grim. Yeah, the grim team out there. Let it kill like a fire.
We love those. Oh. Continue the slow motion, man. We love those. Turn your phone so and look. Oh, sorry, that's something I go react to that video. If anyone wants to do the song, I'm telling them no, shop find go support the artist, Link to the original song in the description, go mess it, Me there for the video and the girls them, Go on. Gun girl in the video. No, it's alright. Go on.
Don't this
Is she that girl there? What's she there? I think we're to one song. Is she an artist? The girl just didn't see a while ago.
told me the case sweet like Nyla Black man. Destiny, then you are the Destiny. Then you are the man.
May I try to find somebody to think what's her name? She call herself some kind of first lady. I don't know if I she this thing, but I want to make sure. Alright, she an artist? I know I make the mistake. I don't know. I make us if you write this up.
Don't deny. Boy, just take your time.
Where's the big door?
Please don't deny.
I'm not. Hello. Let's say. Hello. How you doing? That's what she just said to me. Hello. How you doing? But.
Nine.
What?
Take your goddamn time.
Yeah.
Dan King. Oh, I go on.
There, man.
Bully man. Just against
Which
the
part of the little machine though? Yeah, I was in every video come on and I said to the camera. Which part of the machine? Me not see the little strap there now. No, I go on. You see, I leave the one there. I leave the one there and the pillow tonight. No joke. It's like a signature. I did me I say we need to see the machine, man. Yeah. Foot movement. We see that it's on Instagram. I'll be there in the middle of the day.
We outside. This was
You did
video.
Yes, big up yourself.
Behind the scenes.
Shout out to
Big up
everybody,
PS.
everybody behind the words. Big up everybody right. That's it. Did me I say Vibration Sounds, Dan King, Solomon System, Maniacs. Big up on yourself. Time for checking out the reaction bars video. I know the reaction is kind of lengthy. I know how long it be exactly, but I know it's kind of lengthy. Spiteful do that because I want to watch a long video today. Come to post a reaction for the longest while. Super hype. Out the TV. Friday, 28th August. 11 o'clock Trinidad time, 10 o'clock Jamaica time. Dancehall versus Trinidad. Instagram live. Make it a date and don't be late. Reaction boss like rub out some boy face. Peace.